Okay, now we're ready to get started with the transactions for problem 5.5. The first transaction on January 1st reads, purchase grooming equipment for $12,700, check 283. So we've written out a check for $12,700, so we know cash and bank is one of the accounts affected, and because we wrote out a check and money is leaving the business, that this would be a credit. So you're going to write number 1 and $12,700 because this is the credit is the decrease side for cash and bank. During this transaction, it also shows that we purchased grooming equipment. So we're adding grooming equipment to the business. So you'll see under grooming equipment we have a number 1 and $12,700. So go ahead and record those two. For the second transaction for January 10th, it reads, wrote check 284 for advertising, $125. So we have an advertising expense account affected and cash and bank account affected. Since we wrote out a check, cash and bank is going down, so we record that number 2, $125, under the credit side. And then we go down to advertising expense and we record number 2, $125, as a debit because we're adding the expense to the business, and the increase side for an expense is the debit side. I'm going to go ahead and let you do the remaining transactions. Remember, when you have the remaining transactions completed, you need to figure the balance for each T account. And to do that, you add your debits, you add your credits, and you subtract that amount to find the balance. When you're done, your debits for all the T accounts should equal all the credits in your T accounts. If that's not the case, then something was done wrong too. So that's another way to double check your work. When you're done with problem 5.5, bring it to me so that I can check it before you move on to the other problems.